Tell you, say, we don't want Joe over here.
I just look damn good, you know.
I know I look good, Michael tell me every day.
So you ready for me now?
Yeah. I want a food now. You know, say I eat it.
Is he there come stay with me or something and leave Michael alone?
Every day in go work, in coming back with liquor in my hand.
I could go upstairs, man. After all, we can't just smart and boring. So.
Lead the way.
I don't like go out with him. I want to do road when he not there.
Me and your father and me there to protect you. So anybody at all trouble you, you make me know. Bad man, that on your concern. What you are doing at my place? Tell the boy. Lift up.
Mommy, what?
Talk to his sister. And last time this year I go hear about your sister here. Next time up on the news.